Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Emma from the Promised Neverland. I'll be drawing on my tablet. You can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of her face. On the left, draw a diagonal line in, and then angle it in again. Do the same thing on the right side, coming to a point for the chin. Next, let's work on the face. On the upper right here, draw a diagonal line up for the eyebrow. Now curved line on top to close it off. Do the same thing for the left eyebrow, but make this one longer. Next, let's draw the eyes. Under each eyebrow, draw a rounded arch shape like this. Now draw 3 short lines on the outside of each eye for the eyelashes. Now under each eye, draw a short line across. In the gap in the bottom outside corner of the eye, draw a few small lines. Now above each horizontal line, draw an upside down U shape. Next, in the center, draw small circles and color them in black for the pupils. Then above the pupil, draw another small circle on each eye. Next, under the eyes, draw a few horizontal lines across like this. Let's draw the nose now in the center with a short line down. Then for the mouth, draw 2 lines across. Lastly, before moving on to the hair, let's draw her neck with 2 curved lines down. Now we can move on to the hair, which is pretty complicated, so if I'm going too fast, remember you can always pause. Let's start by drawing the section of the hair here to the left of her eye. Now above the left eye, draw another V-shaped section of hair down like this. Next, draw a taller middle section down between the eyes. Draw the next section above her right eye, swooping it down to touch the eyebrow. Now draw another section of curved hair to the right of her eye under the section we just drew, like this. Next, let's draw the ears on both sides. Inside each ear, draw another curved W shape. Now let's continue with the hair. Draw some curved lines above on both sides. Draw another pointed section of hair coming out the top left here. Now draw a few more lines on the top right, curving out and down. Next, let's draw multiple pieces of hair coming out on the left side and eventually reaching the top of her ear. Then starting from her lower ear, draw a few more strands coming down. Then as you get close to the neck, stop here to leave room for her shirt collar. Let's hop back up to the top and draw the right side of her hair now, working our way down. When we get to the bottom section near her neck, draw two long curly strands coming out like this. Hop back up and draw another large chunk on the top right like this. Before finishing off her hair, let's draw the curly, long strand that comes out the top of her head. Now finish off the top part of her hair with a few more sections of hair. Lastly, for her hair, draw another tall curly strand coming up over the other one. Now let's draw her shirt. From either side of her neck, draw an S-shaped curve out and down for the top of her collar. Then draw long V-shapes down on each side. Now short lines in on either side. And then another set of short lines down and out. Now draw a large V shape in the center here for her neckline. Then finish off the collar with two lines coming in to a point. Next, in the center, draw two lines down. And then a short diagonal line on the right. In the center, draw a small button. Now draw the shoulders on both sides. On the left, draw a diagonal line from her shoulder inwards. And then on the right, draw a V shape. Now to finish off the shirt, draw some curved lines for the folds and details. And then draw some shading lines here under the collar. Lastly, to finish off the drawing, let's draw some shading lines under her neck and then add her numbered neck tattoo. And that's it for Emma. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.